Well, in the below population growth curve, at which point the growth rate dn by dt will be maximum? So from the graph that is given below, shape of the graph is sigmoidal, that is given. So above graph sigmoidal curve is about a logistic growth curve. So where change in the population rate, that is dn by dt, will be maximum when half of the population reach to its carrying capacity. So dn upon dt will be maximum, that is equal to k by 2 or else 1 by k2. So from the graph point 4 where the are given, where maximum growth rate, that is dn upon dt is equal to maximum, that is achieved. And at point 2 dn upon dt is maximum where population will reach to is half of the carrying capacity. And at point 4 dn upon dt will be 0 where population is its maximum carrying capacity. So answer is point 2 where maximum growth rate is achieved and population will reach to its half of the carrying capacity.